Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see what's going on with you, Virgo, what's going on with your person, and what action can we expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have these dialogue message cards and your action cards, etc. For the duration of the reading, Virgo, I will be calling this side person A and this side person B. If this is your storyline, you will know which side you resonate best with, right? So, person B, okay, and action card for person A, action card for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Temperance card, but in reverse, Virgo. Things are still a bit imbalanced. Things are still seeming not, correct at the moment, or maybe somebody's getting impatient now, I don't know. But from what I see on my table right now here, the spread that I see, one person feels there is a lack of equal give and take. There's a lack of balance in this connection, and they want to get over this toxicity which has come into this connection. The other person, showing up as the Empress, I think is in a very good position for themselves, and they're saying, hey, I am the Empress. So either you come to me correct, come towards me with an apology, come to me with a love offer, because I'm holding back. I'm not going to make a move towards you. So let's see what's happening here. Let's start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. And Virgo, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Thank you. Apologies for the barking dog outside. Can't do anything about it. Virgo and their person. Thank you. One more and one more. All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. That sounds like an Empress talking. Wishing you the best, even if it's with someone else. Because an Empress doesn't chase, right? It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone that I meet. Nobody can compare with an Empress. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect with you. So there could be separation as well. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. Don't let my arrogance fool you. I feel unworthy. I do see that. Somebody is feeling very ungrounded. King of Pentacles in reverse. Are you sorry for hurting me? Alright, Virgo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with you, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice. Okay. And the card we have here for you is Heaven is watching over you. It's a message for you, Virgo. Okay, don't worry, don't ever feel alone. If you're feeling upset or angry, just know that the universe is by your side and taking care of you right now. Okay? Now let's get on to the reading. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Virgo. Let's see what... You could be either side. I don't know which side you're on. For me, this is A and B, right? So person A is in the feeling, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Six of Pentacles in reverse. Why are they feeling this way? Why is person A feeling... Okay, so they do want to apologize. They do want to apologize. They know they've messed up a beautiful soulmate connection, or there's some past hurts or some memories which have created a rift between the two of you. King of Pentacles again in reverse. Yes, this person does feel unworthy. They feel ungrounded. Maybe they have money troubles. I don't know what. And there is some delay that's happening in this connection. They do wish to apologize, though. They are understanding that, I haven't been fair to my person. I haven't done the right thing. There has been no balance, no equal give and take. So yes, this person is waiting for an apology. I think person A does want to apologize for the delay that's happening in this connection. Devil in reverse, Spirit. Devil in reverse. They want to clear the air. They want to come and talk. They want to clear the air. They want to be emotionally open. They are feeling this imbalance and they're getting impatient by the day. This card was here, bottom of my deck as well, the Temperance card, right? I think person A is getting a little impatient or realizing the imbalance that's been created in this connection. They do want to come and speak their truth. They want to bring in some clarity, have some communication, and not just words. They do want to be emotionally open as well. They want to come back lovingly, to have a loving, honest communication with person B. They don't want any toxicity to remain in this connection, like over with the devil energy. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? King of Pentacles in reverse. Why were they feeling this way? King of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe there were some blockages. There were certain things which were not allowing person A to move forward the way they would have liked to. Something was stopping them. What was this, Spirit? Certain things, I think, certain things came out in the open where this either could be another person in their life who was emotionally manipulating them, or things could have been revealed about something. I don't know. Something was stopping this person, maybe another person, maybe in their life. I don't know. Heart of hearts, person A has always loved person B. They know that their real soulmate is person B, right? But something came out. Maybe if they had a wife, the wife got to know, or the mother got to know, and they were angry or upset, and there were some blockages for them to move forward to their connection. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. What happened in the recent past? Yes, person A could have maybe texted or messaged person B to say, hey, things are not going to work out, or things have come out in the open, we'll have to stop this connection, or some stagnancy could have come where you guys may have had to let go of each other for a while. I don't know. So either some message or some communication happened where person A probably said, I can't fight for this connection right now. So how does person A now view this connection, Spirit? Person A is in a lot of regret. They're very guilty, very regretful. They really feel bad about why they didn't put in work, why they didn't take action, how all these three cups fell to the ground. This person is looking back and looking at all that time, energy wasted, all those cups spilled to the ground with nothing to show for, right? They feel whatever happened here, everything just kind of backfired on them. Okay? They feel like a loser at the moment. Five of Cups, Spirit. Yes, They feel maybe they were selfish or they didn't take action. Whatever they didn't do, they are feeling very bad about at the moment, Virgo. They do want to get over whatever is toxic desperately. The second time the devil card in reverse is here. They are trying to free themselves, maybe from attachments. Maybe they feel I didn't work hard enough to free myself. Maybe they have regrets for that. Seven of Swords in reverse. Seven of Swords in reverse. Seven of Swords in reverse. They are wishing and hoping. Yes, they are wishing and hoping. They feel whatever happened here, it's totally backfired on the connection, on them. They desperately are wishing, hoping, praying to unchain themselves from whatever blockages they have in their life. Whatever has stopped them till now, they want to unchain themselves, remove that blindfold, cut off those chains, remove those swords, get over this toxicity or this attachment that they have to the past, which is not making any of their wishes come true. One more card, Spirit, for how person A feels about this connection. They feel they've made their person very upset and angry. They feel that person B is very upset and angry with them. Ten of Cups in reverse. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Virgo, I'm going to go on to person B's side. The action card I'm going to do after I clarify person B, and then we'll do both the action cards. Let's see person B. Person B is sitting as the Empress. They're not happy. They're not happy with this connection. They could have turned their face away from this connection. Maybe there was an argument, there was a fight, there was something that disturbed the peace of this Empress. There was some communication, maybe about an existing spouse, or maybe they felt disrespected. Some communication happened which turned their life upside down, basically. And I think this Empress is doing pretty well on their own, but they're not happy with whatever argument, fight, communication that happened with person A. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. They don't want their person to be this stubborn. They just want them to come and apologize to them. I think person B still sees person A as their happiness, someone who makes them really, really, really happy. They just want, all person B wanted was, person A, don't be stubborn, just choose. Just choose, or just choose me. And, come towards me with an apology and everything will be all right. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? King of Cups. King of Cups. I think it made this Empress feel a little upset and angry. They felt person A was just emotionally manipulating them, trying to sweeten them up so that there would be no conflict about maybe a third party situation. They could have felt that person A is being very immature. They are not taking responsibility. They are just coming in to woo me and please me, and just coming in to have fun. And sometimes but that's what B is saying about person A. Sometimes I feel they love me, sometimes I feel they hurt me. I'm really not sure where I stand with this person, and it kind of is raising my suspicions now. I feel angry, I feel upset with them. So person B could have lost their trust here and could have said, hey, I'm getting unstuck from this situation till you sort things out, maybe with your own life, with your own stability, or about our foundation. And things could have become a bit conflicted. between the two of you. So let's see what's happening. How does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? Person B is right now holding back. They're trying to be strong. That they are the Empress. They are trying to hold back. They're not making any move. They haven't moved away either. I think they're just waiting and watching and feeling quite devastated, feeling maybe this is the end, feeling very heartbroken, feeling things have really ended now, but still trying to appear strong and in limbo basically. They don't know what direction to go now. They feel that person has been very selfish with them, very self-centered. They are a bit angry with them even now. Why? Because they're feeling a bit neglected, a bit rejected. They feel that offer of commitment never came from them. So that sense of anger and mistrust is still there with person B. So now let's see what actions you guys are going to take. Okay. So before I open these two cards, Virgo, if you guys are still here, that means it's resonating a little bit. If you could just hit that thumbs up button, it helps the videos to circulate, I believe. I've been told by YouTube that, it helps them know what videos to circulate more. Plus, it helps me also to know how many people I'm resonating with. Thank you so much in advance. And newbies, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe. Your next reading will be on Friday. So, person A's action. 9 of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action from person A's end? They're very unhappy. They're very unhappy. They feel person B is no longer showing them love, no longer investing in them or reaching out to them or messaging them, is holding back from them. So person A is a bit unhappy, not bit, very unhappy. 9 of Cups in reverse. They feel they may have lost the love of their life. But my question here, Spirit, was, will they take any action, or are they just going to sit and feel bad? Will person A take any action? They are stuck. They are stuck right now. They're not being able to hear their intuition right now. They don't know what to do. They're feeling totally stuck. They're feeling they're having bad luck at the moment. Simple. Person B, will you take any action? 4 of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so person B doesn't want to be made into a fool. So person B says, I'm not going to be fooled anymore. If you are not coming with stability, if you're not coming with a firm foundation for me, if you're not offering me the 10 of Pentacles, I'm not going to fight for this connection either. So it could be a bit of a stalemate going on here. But I do see person A does want to come and rectify things. Maybe not this week. They are feeling a little... They could... Let me take one more card, because this High Priestess sometimes also means somebody wanting to reveal the truth. Okay, some secrets. So person A, I'm giving you one more chance. Will you take action towards person B? Will you take any action? No, things are stagnant this week, it seems. Person B? No, neither of you are taking action this week here, Virgo. Stagnancy and no moving forward. Things are still a bit imbalanced. I'm so sorry, Virgo. I wish I could end every reading to say, and they lived happily ever after, but please know these are only weekly readings, so hopefully things will change. I do see love from person A's side and a lot of regret. Okay, so yes, they will make a choice soon. Don't worry about it. Otherwise, person B, you're sitting as the Empress. You're doing very well on your own. Continue to be your best and know that heaven is watching over you. Till love and light. Till next time then. Namaste.